Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is writing linear equations from graphs. To understand the concept, let's look at the first graph that is given to us. Write the equation of the line. Here we see that we are given a red line that is representing a graph of the line. We have to find the equation of that line. To do that, we can use this method that we take up any 2 points on the graph. Let's take this point and this point. So let's name them as point A and point B. So point A can have the coordinates x1 and y1, and point B has coordinates x2 and y2. From the graph we can easily see what are the values of x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. For A, that is over here, our x1 is 6 and y1 is 2. For B, x2 is 4 and y2 is 0. So these are our coordinates. Now using the formula for slope, that is represented by letter m, we use the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We'll find out the slope from here. Y2 is 0, y1 is 2, divided by x2 is 4 minus 6. This is negative 2 divided by negative 2 equals to 1. Now using the point slope form, that is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. We'll use this formula to find out the equation of the line. Y minus y1 is 2 equals to m is 1, x minus x1 is 6. So y minus 2 equals to, using a distributive law, 1 times x is x, 1 times negative 6 is a negative 6. So if we add 2 on both sides to find out the final equation, negative 2 plus 2 becomes 0, y equals to x, negative 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Y equals to x minus 4 is the final answer and can be seen in option C. Let's try out the next question. We have been given a graph and it is represented by the red line, which is shown right here. If we see that this line is parallel to the y-axis, that is the vertical line, and parallel to the y-axis, so we say the given graph is parallel to the y-axis. Now if we see the value of y is changing while the value of x is same, that is negative 3. At all points, if we take this point, say the value of this point, or say point A, is negative 3 comma 2. This is point A. If I take point B over here, it is negative 3 comma negative 3. So we say that the value of x is not changing. In this case, the equation of the line is given by the formula x equals to a. Now the value of a is where the vertical line cuts the x-axis. The vertical line is cutting the x-axis at negative 3. So the equation of the line is x equals to negative 3. This is the final answer and can be seen in option C. Let's try the next question. Write the equation of the line and we're given the graph. Here the graph is represented by the red line, which is parallel to the x-axis. So we say that the given graph is parallel to the x-axis. It's a horizontal line which is parallel to the y-axis. In such cases, if we see the value of y is not changing, let's take some points. Let's take this point A. The coordinates of A are negative 2 comma negative 3. Let's take this point B. B has the coordinates 2 comma negative 3. Let's take another point C over here. C has the coordinates 4 comma negative 3. So if we see here, our value of y is same. In such cases, when the value of y is same, that it's not changing, the equation of the line is given by y equals to a. This is the formula for the equation of the line, and the value of a is nothing but where the graph cuts the y-axis, that is at negative 3. So y equals to negative 3 is the equation of the line for the given graph and can be seen in option A. I hope writing linear equations from graphs is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.